Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, small business out of Abington. Came across your website, thought I'd shoot you the screencast, just give you guys a few tips how to get some more traffic and maybe get your rankings up there on Google. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text, and if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to start today on your homepage and talk about content and keywords, and then citations, and then lastly backlinks. So I'm looking at the front page of your website. I love these images. Images are always really good. Make sure you're saving them as content, highly searched keywords that relate to your work. So maybe like plumbers, Montgomery County. You have a nice toolbar that works well. Looks like you service a lot of different areas within Montgomery and Bucks County. Do plumbing and HVAC. And you have a blog that connects as well. A nice image of your workers, which is always helpful for people. Some coupons. So generally, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. It helps Google relate your services and what it is you want to do and where you want to do it. Within those 1,500 words of content, I put about 10 highly searched relevant keywords so that you are popping up on Google for those keywords people are searching. So the content flows, it sounds good, it helps Google relate you. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did a Google search for plumbers, Montgomery County, PA. I could have done plumbing services. There's lots of different ways people search for the same thing on Google. One way to optimize your website is to figure out what's being searched the most and appear first for that. So you have your Google guaranteed ads here, and then you have your map pack, which is what I wanted to talk about. So this is a really important place to be visible because people are going to see you. They're going to see you first, and there's no reason they won't click on you. Especially on mobile phones, this is just a really good place to be. People will just call or click to call. In order to get here, you have to go through a small process. You also want to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number, appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's Yellow Pages, and then over time you'll get a little higher in the map pack. So if you are in the map pack top spot and the top spot beneath the map pack, you're going to get about 80% of the traffic that comes to this page. In order to be the company that's the first spot organically, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could be a blog about plumbers and someone mentions your website. Post it, that's the backlink. The blog is the referring domain. So this is a tool we use called Ahrefs. And oops, sorry. Okay, so it has gives us some insight into different aspects of anyone's website. You have 578 backlinks, about 87 referring domains. You want to check the quality of those. Quality definitely matters. It gives you more power. The higher quality, the more power you're getting on Google. It's like the Nikes versus the store brand. You're ranking for 388 keywords in the top 100. And you're getting about 580 visitors a month. I'm going to click into your keywords, but as that's loading, okay, so there were yours. I just compared you to a competitor. Looks like this is just Philadelphia though, so I'm not sure. You guys go out there, but their backlinks, their domains, their keywords are being found for, and the traffic that they're generating. I'm going to pop back into your keywords here and just show you what I'm talking about. So here's a really good high buyer intent keyword, plumber Warrington, or even plumbers Warrington. It has 250 searches a month. It's really easy to rank for in terms of money and time. This goes all the way to 100. And you're in position 4, which isn't bad. You're probably on the first page. But there's 3 businesses ahead of you. Doylestown Plumber, 200 searches a month. 2 KD, still very low. Spot 6, which may put you on second page. Plumbing Warrington, plumber Doylestown, all this search volume out there. You know, you want to try to be in that first spot, at least some of them. Sewer repair Doylestown, spot 4. So just to kind of give you an idea, of where you're at. Warrington Plumbing, 300 searches a month, even more than the others. Spot 11. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you'd like to learn anything more about Christie's lead services, please reach out. My door is always open. I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation to see if we're a good fit. And if not, if the timing's not right, I understand. No harm, no foul. Not a problem. Thanks for watching. Bye.